No way! He didn't even try and he hit it. All right, that's pretty good. I'll give him that. Hey, what's up, guys? Fatal checking in. And if you haven't already noticed, yeah, I'm wearing a mask due to the COVID-19. As a lot of you guys know, we have to wear masks nowadays to stay safe. If you haven't noticed, what I have in my left hand is a toilet paper roll. Now, these are very hard to come by because of the COVID-19, right? Well, I'm gonna be showing you guys some cool ways to stay busy while you guys are quarantined at home. Now, also, if this video does really well and gets 10,000 likes, one of you lucky viewers is gonna get an opportunity to win a Xbox One. But this video has to hit 10,000 likes, and you have to leave a very clever comment down low. So without further ado, guys, let's go. For this one, I have a toilet paper roll, as you guys can see here. This is a full one. Now, I have one laying around the house that might have been used a lot. If your family uses a restroom a lot and uses a toilet paper roll, you might have one of these laying around. Well, you just take this one out and take a brand new one and set them down. What we're gonna be doing here is a basketball toilet paper roll challenge. Simply take the one that has less and cut out one little square. Then you guys want to ball it up just like this. Take some tape, just one strip of tape will do. Roll it around that little ball just like that, and then it's ready. You might need about maybe 5 or 7 of these to have fun. So I've already done that, and I'll show you guys. So there's all my balls right there, and now the challenge begins. This big toilet paper roll is what is gonna be my hoop. So I gotta get all these little balls in the hoop, just like basketball, guys. Very simple. I've tried it already and I failed miserably. It's really hard to do, but I'm gonna give you guys a demo of what that looks like. You can challenge your siblings or challenge your parents, or if you guys have some friends over, you can challenge your friends. You wanna just sit this at the corner of a table just like that, and then take all your toilet paper balls and shoot them in there, see how many you can make. So here I go. I'll shoot from right here, guys. How many do you think I can make? What do you think, Next?
I don't really have confidence in you, man, but prove me wrong. Please do.
All right, let's go. Horrible. Horrible. Ooh, almost made that one. Horrible. Horrible. Oh, very difficult to make, but it's very challenging too. If you guys want to place bets on this to have even more fun, then you can, and I'm pretty sure anybody will take that bet. Oops. 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 As you guys saw, I didn't make squat. The reason why I noticed is because I didn't have a backboard, guys. So I got creative and I got an index card, and this is gonna be my backboard. So I'm just gonna put it right about here. Just gonna tuck it in right here. All right, so my backboard's ready, and now I'm gonna shoot, see if I can make some now.
Oh no! Oops! Oops! Oops!
Oh, almost.
Oops! Oops!
Let's go! You guys can see the backboard did come in clutch, and I made one out of maybe 20, but hey, the backboard did help a lot, right? So it's very easy to do. And if you need a backboard, take an index card, make yourself a little backboard, just like I did here, and have fun with it. Let's go! All right, so now I have 3 rolls in front of you, as you see here. And what I'm gonna do is play a little game called Pong. Well, toilet paper roll Pong, with the same balls that I used in the last demo, guys. So basically it's simple. You just take your rolls. It doesn't matter how big they are, as long as they have the little hole in the middle. And you just wanna put them next to each other like this. Now you wanna challenge somebody, or just challenge yourself to see if you can actually make one of these. Because believe it or not, guys, once you try this, you will understand that it's very hard to make into these little holes. So I'm gonna take my toilet paper roll balls, just like I have right here, and I'm gonna try to sink one in here. This would probably be a lot funner if you challenge somebody, and who's not willing to take this challenge, right guys? I challenged Next, and guess what? I whooped him. So I'm gonna try to make it on my own, since he's no challenge to me. Here I go, guys. Let's go! As you guys can see, I'm pretty good. Next didn't stand one chance. Whoa, let's go! So there you go. I made about 2 out of 7, which isn't bad, and it's very fun to do. Next, take a shot. I'll give you one more shot. Not in my house! So there you guys go. If you want to have fun, definitely challenge somebody. But what you will notice is that this is very difficult to do. Next is cheating, and he still missed. Even at close range, as you guys can see, Next tried to make it and he still couldn't make it. It's very hard to do. For this, I have 2 rolls, 3 little soccer balls, and my toilet paper roller. Now, what I'm gonna use my toilet paper roller for is essentially like a kicker. So what we're gonna be doing here is soccer. And what we're gonna use these toilet paper rolls as is a goal. So here's how we get started. So you wanna take your toilet paper rolls and you wanna unroll it a little bit, maybe about like that much. Then you wanna take a slice of tape them together, just like that. Now we created a goal, right? So this would be our goal right here. Then you want to put this at the end of the table so you can take shots at it, just like this, guys. So there you go. We made a very narrow goal, especially because we're going to be using these balls right here that are small. So if we had a big goal, this would be too easy, right? So the more narrow that you make it, the harder it would be to make it. You could also adjust it if you want to make it harder and roll it just like that. Now who's gonna make it in there, right? It's gonna be very difficult, but we'll leave it about that wide right there. That should be challenging enough. Now we just take our toilet paper roller and we shoot our shot in there. Now if you want to do it by yourself and challenge yourself, then that's fine, but I would advise you to challenge somebody to make it a little bit more entertaining. You probably want to draw a line where you start from, so I'll just probably start at the end of this table right here. It's kind of like taking a penalty kick if you guys are familiar with soccer. So here we go. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, I hit the post. I think I got this one though, guys. Let's go! Goal, baby! All right, here we go. Let's go, baby! Can I go 2 for 2? Oh, that one was way off. Oh, hit the post. That one was way off. That one was off too. But that was good. I made about 2 out of 7, which isn't bad at all, guys. I think that I'm willing to challenge anybody at this game. Even though it looks very easy to do, it's hard to get it in there. The more wide it is, the easier, but if it's more narrow, then it's harder. So move it at your guys' choice. All right, one more for all the marbles. Think I got it next?
Nope.
Oh, give me one more. Trump stopped that one with his face. Now I will make him pay for that by scoring a nasty goal right down the line. Let's go! So if you guys are familiar with the water bottle flip challenge, meet the toilet paper roll flip challenge. Now this is very similar to that, but you need some rolls. Now you can use a full one just like this right here, or you can use a medium one that your family has already kind of worn down a little bit, or you can use a one where your family almost finished it. No. It doesn't matter which one you use, but what I will say is that if you use this one, it's a lot easier than using the one with the less toilet paper because it's just bigger, so when it hits, it'll probably land directly up like this vertical, as opposed to the little one. Look at that, it's most likely gonna land on the side. So if you're doing this by yourself, then you could challenge yourself. If you're doing it with somebody, just keep in mind that this one is gonna be a lot easier. So let's get this one going. I'm gonna take a shot at the big one first. I'm gonna work my way up the difficult ladder. I'll do 10 tries per each toilet paper roll and see how many I can land. So here goes the big toilet paper roll. How many do you guys think I'm gonna land? What about you, Nex?
With this one, I would say 3.
3 out of 10. Okay, my guess is 4 out of 10. Before I shoot these, what do you guys think? All right, let's see if you're right. So far 0 out of 1. Ooh, wow. 2. That one doesn't count because it rolled out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I think I have one more, right? Okay, so 7 out of 10, guys, with the big one. Whoa. Next thought I was gonna make 3, I made 7. I don't know what you guys thought I was gonna make, but 7 is a high number for the big roll. Like I told you guys, the big roll's a lot easier. So this one's out of the way. Now we move on to the medium roll. Next, what's your guess on this one?
1.
1 out of 10. Wow. Whoa. This guy does not believe in me. All right, so I'm gonna take a shot and I'm gonna say 4 out of 10 because it is the medium one. Here we go. Okay, so far so bad. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. And the last one? Exactly how I called it. 4 out of 10, guys, which isn't bad at all. And it was a lot of fun doing as well. Okay, so this one's out of the way. Now time for the most difficult one. This would be a difficulty legend or something like that, or expert. So here we go.
You're gonna get 0.
Oh, I didn't even ask him and he already said I'm gonna hit 0.
Whoa.
All right, I say on this one at least 2 out of 10. Dang. Yup, he's not lying.
Oh no!
Yeah, I got 1. So I got 1 out of 10, guys, which is horrible, right? But I did beat Nex, and he thought I was gonna get 0 out of 10.
You thought you were gonna get 2, so we meet in the middle.
We met in the middle, I guess. This is a very difficult one to make, but again, guys, if you want challenge, do the small roll. Let's see what you got, Nex. Oh, yep, he's pretty good, but that was a medium roll. Let's see, try this one. What the heck? No way! He didn't even try and he hit it.
Whoa.
All right, that's pretty good. I'll give him that. So there you guys go. Very simple to do, and it's also very fun. All right, so right here I have my baseballs, and right here I have my baseball bat. And for this, what we're gonna be doing is playing baseball with ourselves, but you could also challenge somebody. And you're gonna grab a baseball, throw it up in the air, and see if you can whack it out of the park. If you do this by yourself, that's okay too, it's fun. Challenge yourself, see how many of these 7 baseballs you can whack out of the park. We'll get this one going for you now. Also guys, remember, these little baseballs are actually toilet paper squares rolled up and connected with tape. They look like little baseballs. You can do this with toilet paper roll. All right, so let's see how many of these bad boys I can knock out of the park. Let's go. Woohoo! There's 1, 2. That's a strike. 3, 4, 5, 6, baby, 6 home runs. And I got 1 bad strike. But let's give this one another try. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Hey, batter, batter. Oh, it's a ground ball, but I still hit it, guys. It does count. And here I go. Let's go! Very simple to do. All you need is a toilet paper roller and some little toilet paper wrapped up in tape. So that's some clever ways you guys can entertain yourself at home due to the coronavirus that we have going on, guys, using some toilet paper rolls that you might have laying around in your house. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave a like for your opportunity to win an Xbox One at 10,000 likes, and I'll see you later.